Safety is at the core of Volvo's DNA. It's embedded in our heritage. Every day, our research and development teams strive to make our trucks as safe as possible for all road users. That's why we're thrilled to see our efforts validated by the new Euro NCAP ratings. This is the first time an external, independent organization confirms our safety performance. Euro NCAP has been the industry standard for passenger car safety for many years. Now they have expanded their assessments to cover heavy trucks as well. The first results were released in November 2024. 9 different trucks from 7 different manufacturers were tested, and the 2 Volvo trucks that were evaluated, the Volvo FH Aero and the Volvo FM, were the only trucks that got 5 stars. Euro NCAP evaluates a wide range of safety systems, testing how the systems perform in different scenarios, and then aggregating the results into a star rating of the overall safety performance of that vehicle. The safety features are grouped in 3 areas: safe driving, collision avoidance, and post-crash. And the requirements to get 5 stars is to score 80% or more in all 3 areas. In the area of safe driving, the Volvo FH Aero and the Volvo FM achieved scores of 80% and 90% respectively. This is largely because of their excellent direct vision. In other words, how well the driver can see what is happening in front and at the side of the truck. This is made possible by the design of the cabs and the new camera monitor system. The Volvo FM scored even higher than the Volvo FH Aero due to the lower position of the driver's seat, which enables a better view of the area really close to the truck. Our adaptive cruise control, IC, and driver alert support are some of the other systems that also contributed to the safe driving area. In collision avoidance, both trucks scored 89%, thanks to outstanding performance by our emergency brake and lane keeping systems. Both trucks have the same systems, and here there's no influence of the difference in cab height. We got the same excellent results for both the Volvo FH Aero and the Volvo FM. Our collision warning with emergency brake avoided a collision in nearly every scenario assessed by Euro NCAP, including both collision scenarios with passenger cars and with pedestrians and cyclists. With our new active side collision avoidance support, we are one of only 2 truck manufacturers to offer automatic braking to protect cyclists when the truck is turning towards the passenger side. An innovation that Euro NCAP described as a potential game changer. Overall, I believe the main reason we achieved 5 stars is because we've always aimed to develop safety systems that are designed to work in a wide variety of traffic scenarios. This is the same mindset as Euro NCAP has, who also tests safety systems across many different scenarios to truly evaluate how safe the trucks are. For us, the Euro NCAP results confirm that we are doing the right thing, that we are developing safety systems that really make our roads safer. But it's not the full picture. We have many other safety solutions and initiatives that also contribute to road safety, that are not included in Euro NCAP's assessments. And it's important to say that these results don't mean that we are at the end of our journey. Our vision is 0 accidents, so we'll continue our work to develop solutions that make our trucks even safer.